Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. Today we have a delivery and a few items that we want to display. We're going to unbox these, we're going to talk about them, and then we're going to talk about the future plans we have for them. Hint, two of these are graphics cards. So, without further ado, let's spin that intro. Welcome. Today was a great day and I just want to share it with you. I've got a delivery from Newegg. Yep, I hit the Newegg Shuffle for a second time. I got a pickup from Best Buy. This was actually supposed to arrive last week and somehow my item got lost in Best Buy and it had to come an entire week later, but I'll take it. And this little surprise over here is a special delivery all the way from China that I didn't think I was actually going to get. And I want to highlight my new unboxing knife, because if your knife doesn't have RGB, you ain't doing it right. So let's tear into it. Alright, so here's item number one. I purchased this a couple weeks ago on Best Buy during a drop online for curbside pickup. It was supposed to be picked up last Wednesday. I went to my city to pick it up. I stopped at a store. It said it was available. While I was in another store, I get an alert that something happened and my inventory was missing. So I had to wait an entire week, but they did deliver, and here is my card. Let's see. This is the Gigabyte Gaming OC 3070, and it will go in with my other 4 gigabytes over here. And then eventually I'll have 6 gigabytes in this rig, and then I'm going to move all 6 of those and do a full rebuild and put them into this nice giant frame over here. And then over here I have a Zotac 3060 right there on the end. That I won on the Newegg Shuffle on launch day. I paid $500 plus tax on that one. I have a good friend that actually has been hounding me for it, so I'm going to go ahead and give it to him at cost, because you should never make money off your friends. It's just a bad way to live. So I'm giving it to him at cost, but I might have to replace it. Yeah, let's just move on instead of fully unboxing it. Let's move to the next item. Let's see, this was my delivery today from Newegg. I won the Newegg Shuffle and was awarded a combo. So let's see what's in the combo. We're gonna do the combo mambo and open. Ooh, RGB knife. Let's see what's in this here box. This is a terrible opening. Unboxing rather. Guys like Bitwit that have been doing this for years make it look so easy. Man, it's not that easy. Alright, what's in this one? What's in this one? Get out of your box. You're bugging me. Alright, so I got an Asus B550 Plus Tuf Gaming motherboard, which is just fine because I'm going to replace my X470 in my main rig, and I'm going to put this B550. I have a Ryzen 3600 ready to drop into it, so I'm going to just make a complete another workstation, and there's a good reason. It's going to be considered a bot build, and that's upcoming. You guys will want to stick around and find out more about that soon. It's a good looking motherboard though. Alright, what's in this box then? If I got a motherboard, I obviously had to get a graphics card, right? I gotta do some fast forward motion on this unboxing here, that way you don't have to suffer through it. Kosher box. Awesome is here, guys. It's here. It's finally here. Awesome. I've been looking for it. Let's see what awesome is. Get out of your box. Ooh, an Asus Dual RTX 3060, 12 gigabyte memory. This is one of the base models, not the OC. So this one would run you about $330 if you catch it at MSRP. When I paired it with the Asus Tuf gaming motherboard, I got the combo for about $480 plus tax, I believe. So just a shy of $500 for the combo for my second Newegg Shuffle win. And for the Newegg Shuffle, you're asking, how did you hit it twice? Did you use a bunch of burner accounts? How did you do it? How did you spoof the system? Just lucky, guys. Like, I literally have just entered every one. I select almost every item, and I enter right at the very beginning of the shuffle. I just happen to have been drawn twice. That's how it is. Just luck. People are saying you make 200 burner accounts and then you can get all these cards. Well, I made 0 burner accounts. I only used my primary, and I've hit the Newegg Shuffle twice. I got a $500 Zotac twin edge. There's the box up there. And then I just hit this one. So that only leaves one item. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to do an unboxing later, and I'm going to do a full video and test it and do all the benchmarks on it and see how it works. So let's go ahead and see what our last item is, all the way from China. I ordered this from a website that I thought was legit, and then after I ordered it, I didn't get any kind of confirmation. They wouldn't answer my emails. They had Hotmails. Half their stuff wasn't set up on their site. So I thought, okay, this isn't real. I contacted PayPal. I was going to cancel it, and then they finally responded and gave me a tracking number. So it turns out this site's real. I got a good price. I had to wait a month to get these items, but let's see what's in the package. Instead of me wrestling this on camera, I'm just gonna I thought it would be super easy. I would just open it up and then it would be there. Well, it's not. Look at all that bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and open that off camera too. And poof, we've got it open. So what do we have here? So we have a special delivery from Droking.com. This site is legit. It will get you your item. You will get it nice and cheap. It will come from China, and it will take you a month to get your item into the US, but it was worth it for me because I wasn't in a hurry. So, multi-function digital meters. These are Drok meters. Let's open one of these up and see what it looks like here. Where's my box lid? So there it is. There's my Drok meter. And this is your little coil that goes around your hot. And what this does, well, it will read how much wattage. It's a super nice display. And I'll show you what I'm gonna put that in. Drok meter right here will go into one of these nice boxes. See this nice custom Space Goats box, and I got a nice custom Chump Change XD box. These will go into there, and then we'll put them into this nice little meter. We'll run our power wire out of there and put an outlet in the additional hole. This is for a 240 outlet here, and this is for my standard 120 outlet. And then I'm gonna put a Drok in both of those, plus I have another custom box that I built and cut down. So I have 3 of these now, and I'm gonna make some power meters later. Other projects I wanna do is I want to move all those cards, make it into a nice, beautiful Gigabyte build over here. I've got all kinds of parts laying around, extra motherboards, extra power supplies, extra server power supplies. I'm gonna take those cards out and move them over to here. Then I'm going to build a second workstation for bot mining, and I've got a couple of cheap rig builds that I'm going to do just to show you how to make a couple of really cheap, affordable racks. We're going to do some building, we're going to have some fun, and we're going to share it along the way. Gigabyte for the win. Well, there you have it, a brand new Gigabyte RTX 3070 gaming OC, a new Asus Dual RTX 3060, and a couple of Drok Power meters just to keep monitoring our power and keeping it nice and efficient. If you're new to mining, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord or the HashRaptor Discord. There's plenty of seasoned veterans in there willing to help you out and get you to mine. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along, and enjoy the ride.